were accessible through the internet from May 9th to January 3rd. Patients have been sent letters explaining what happened and offered free ID theft protection. This KTRS Business Minutes brought to you by Walter Knoll Florist, the place for all your floral needs. Place your order anytime at WKF.com. Here's more about that security breach that may have exposed information on thousands of patients.
Personal information on more than 33,000 patients has been potentially made available to the public on the internet. This as a result of a security breach at BJC Healthcare. The company disclosed the breach this week, stating that patient information, including medical records, names, addresses, social security numbers, and other information was accessible through the internet from May 9th through January 23rd of this year. BJC cited a data server configuration error that was discovered during an internal security scan. Patients were sent letters explaining what happened and offered free identity theft protection. Jill Enters, KTRS News.
Now let's check the ag market numbers. Farmer Dave Schumacher is online with all the information we need to know. And as always, we turn it over to him. Hello, Farmer Dave.
Good afternoon, Kent. Well, we're in positive territory. That's
dialed in, and I believe that is now available over on WGNU920.
You for the next 55 minutes until the hard line takes over with Cam, TJ.
Sometimes get better too. Push your call buttons if you.
the people with discipline. 1042 and a half, up 6 and a half in January at 1045 and 3/4. That's up 6 and a quarter, about 2 and a half off the mid-morning high. Over on the week trade, though, we're in negative territory. July's off 1 3/4 at 505 and 3/4. December beat at 541 and 3/4, down 2 cents a bushel. Higher in the corn and the beans, lower in the wheat. We'll keep an eye on those numbers. Take another look right early tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Yeah.
All right, Dave. Thanks very much. Now let's check the stock market report. Brought to you by Jeff Lapidus, the retirement coach. Right now, the Dow is 844 points on the day, turnaround from earlier this morning. It stands at 25,223 at the moment. The NASDAQ still off by 27 points now to 7,561. S&P 500 off by just a point and a half to 2,781. Jeff Lapidus can be heard with his daughter Erin, the health insurance coach, every Saturday morning here on KTRS. From 10 to 11 o'clock, it's Straight Talk on Retirement. KTRS Sports, Blues beat the Ducks 4-2 in Anaheim last night. They have now climbed back into the wild card race. They're just a point behind the Avalanche for the second wild card spot. Coincidentally, the Blues play home ice, hosting on Thursday the Colorado Avalanche. The sports report brought to you by American Eagle Credit Union, locally owned and proud to serve your family, your business, and your community. Up next, traffic from our Golden Oak Lending Traffic Center. Here's Dominic Fortini.
Shut down Kings Highway in both directions north of Chippewa as they deal with the earlier crash southbound 6455. It's head heavy right near the